since I was 4, tech has always felt like magic to me. Today, holding a thin piece of glass and seeing my mom's face pop up from 3,000 miles away, that's still magic, and it's been the privilege of a lifetime to share it with a community of nearly 1 million people. I'm Andru Edwards, and you'll find me teaching you about the latest tech, gaming, and AI from an approachable perspective, showing you how it fits into your life. When I make videos, I want to feel like I'm your best friend sitting in your living room. I was the 14th creator invited into the YouTube Partner Program.
This guy was number 14 in the YouTube Partner Program. There's 3 million people now.
And YouTube chose me for their Next Up program, where they selected 10 channels with breakout potential. I gained international attention for starting the unboxing trend way back in 2005 when I launched unboxing.com. When I uploaded those first unboxing videos, there was no playbook, and it wasn't about a trend. It was about making sure people knew exactly what they get when they open that box at home. My videos reach over 500,000 subscribers on YouTube with over 180 million views. I've got 229,000 followers on Instagram with 10.9 million views in the past year, and over 202,000 followers on TikTok with 25 million views over the past year. My community trusts me to recommend the best products for their lifestyle, from stay-at-home moms to recent college grads to entrepreneurs and busy professionals. Let's talk brand impact. When Samsung saw how well my review of their latest smartphone was resonating, they put me right at the very top of YouTube.com and the NewYorkTimes.com. That's 2 of the most valuable pieces of digital real estate on the planet. And they also included me in their national TV commercial campaign. I've also done national TV commercials for companies like Comcast and LG. Meta sent me their Quest 2, and my video drove over $380,000 in sales on Amazon, tracked directly to my audience. For HP's Dragon PC launch, I helped completely sell out their launch stock. 1 week later, HP became my first 6-figure client, signing me to a 1-year deal. I've been quoted by outlets like the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, and The Verge. Business Insider called me one of 34 up-and-coming YouTube stars you should be watching. Most of the hosts of Geared Up ranked among the top 2% of podcasts globally by listenership, and I've partnered closely with industry leaders like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Samsung, and Amazon, interviewing the senior executives who are building our future, and I bring that access to the people making decisions at home, in stores, and at work. I've helped brands large and small cut through the noise and find the right audience for their products. But the real flex for me is helping real people make confident choices about the products they bring into their lives, while my brand partners see results that actually matter. This is my life's work.
Please welcome to the stage, interviewer Randall Lane, Chief Content Officer Forbes, and Andru Edwards, CEO, Gear Live Media.
That was a good video. Andru knows how to sell, huh?
Got to in this business.
All right, so I didn't know, like, America's turning 250 next year. We have the father of our country, George Washington. We have the father of unboxing. This is very exciting.
Yes, yes.
All right, so we had a lot of creator upfronts yesterday, and I figured, let's shake things up a little.
All right, let's do this.
For the next couple upfronts that I'm hosting, we're going to play a version of the game of 20 questions.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. And the way we're going to play it is you're going to give me a number, and I'm going to ask you one of the questions, and they're all a little bit different. So it's just like a grab bag.
All right.
All right. Give me a number.
13. Let's go.
13. All right. I like the counter. The counter superstition here. All right. Better get my I got these glasses at Walmart. They're very nice. All right. What's something you pretend to enjoy about being a creator, but secretly hate?
I think a lot of creators can relate to this. Going to big events. I pretend I really enjoy it, but I think a lot of us, we're used to having a camera in front of us in a room where there's no one around. So although we're talking to, hundreds, thousands, hundreds of thousands of people on the other side of that camera, usually we're just by ourselves. So I think a lot of us are introverts at heart, and we got to pretend to be extroverts.
It's true. It's always shocking to me. It's true of actors, too. Sometimes you have the most famous actors in the world, and they get here in front of this crowd, and they're like, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, exactly.
And then where's my script? So, all right, speaking of the script, give me another number.
1.
Number 1, all right. Number 1 is, if your current career were a movie trailer, what would the opening line be, and who would play Andru?
That's crazy.
You just did a movie trailer. So
I know.
What's the opening?
The opening line. I mean, that kind of spoke for itself. Ever since I was 4 years old, tech felt like magic to me, and that's
good.
True. That's true.
Well, you have to do it in the voice. Ever since I was 4 years old.
Someone else would have to do that. Who would play me? Man, I don't know. I'd have to consult with my beautiful fiance over here to see, because I can't pick someone to play me. I don't know. Who would it be?
Who do we think? You got any nominations?
LL Cool J.
I like that. All right, give me another number.
Someone yell out a number, please. 8. Come on.
8. All right. 8 is, what's the one piece of content that you thought was a throwaway piece, but it killed?
Oh my God, this just happened like 2 weeks ago. I did a brand deal with this company that makes these. You guys ever seen these lights that like shine at your ceiling and turn it into a galaxy up above you? I was like, no one's gonna care about this. But it was a brand deal. I did the video, and I think it's been my most popular video in the past 6 months, which is crazy because last month was Apple season, and that's usually my best performing stuff.
So what do you think? What do you think in retrospect made it pop?
In retrospect, it's that the people who are watching this video are people who have not heard of me before. These aren't people who are my fans who are watching this. It's people who are, it's just the everyday person who is looking for something cool, whether it's for Christmas coming up for their kids or just for themselves. So it's a nice reminder that, to step out of the echo chamber that you're in. For me, it's a lot of the people who just love technology, who will stand in line for, even if it's overnight to get a new smartphone. Sometimes you got to go look beyond that and see, like, what is the average everyday person? What are they looking for, and how can you connect with them?
Speaking of Christmas, is like every day Christmas for you?
Oh, it sure is. It sure is.
I mean, every day something new is coming to your door that's crazy and cool that you've never seen before,
See,
right?
You say that, right? Like, you say that, and I will agree, but there's other people who will look at my home and be like, how can you live here? Because sometimes it feels like an Amazon warehouse. Yeah. It's like a Walmart in the back. When you ask them to check in the back, do you have this in the back? The back is my house.
What do you do with all the stuff once you've demoed it?
Just put it in the garage, or
you give it away, sell it, throw it out. What do you do?
Yeah, if it's a few years old,
I want to follow Andrew's eBay account. It's like, once used.
Giveaways are good. Giveaways are a good way to kind of get your fans excited about things, though.
So do you give it away to? Is that what you do? You give it away to fans
sometimes too. Yeah.
Or how about your friendly moderators, your new best friends?
Hey, subscribe to the newsletter, maybe.
That actually is interesting, because when you're giving to your fans, they actually appreciate that it's used because it's used by you. So it's like a game used jersey. Or something.
Write a little thank you note in there and everything.
All right, last question. Give me a number.
I wonder what number 20 is. What's the last? You were struggling, I know, at 19.
You know it. All right.
Yep.
All right. What would be the title of your autobiography if it had to be a clickbait title? I opened this box and you won't believe what happened next. Parentheses, not clickbait, close parentheses. That's why you're good at what you do. The father of unboxing, Andrew. Thank you.
Thank you.